Now, many law of attraction and EFT practitioners recommend doing the generalized form of the gratitude tap, which I think is excellent. And the way that works is, of course, you make a list of things that you're grateful for in your life, aspects of yourself, friends, family, recent events, things that make you feel happy, positive, and grateful. Now, when we're doing law of attraction and the secret and wishing and attracting abundance, we want to make a subset of that list, which is, again, our sources of abundance. This could be employers, government agencies, clients, customers, students, collectors, anybody who has paid us or given us money. And that could also include family or friends who have gifted us abundance money in times of need out of, generosity and love. So again, make a list of, again, sources of abundance. Now, I started making this list years ago, and I only had like two names on the list, okay? Today, I have a spiral notebook that's almost completely full of clients, customers, sources of abundance, companies, etc. So what I do is I take my best favorite 20 clients, customers, okay? My best and favorite and most recent 20 customers, and then I tap on them. For today, I'm going to tap on 5 of them, okay? And you're welcome to join me. And of course, you would name your favorite client, customer, or source of abundance, and you'll see how quickly this proceeds. Okay, first client, customer, etc. TF. I'm going to use initials, okay? And we again just go through as we're visualizing our favorite client, okay? And now we connect with the feeling of abundance and prosperity and success that this client brings to us, and of course the gratitude for their business, okay? And what we do is we say those 2 magic words, okay? Some people can never say these 2 words, but they totally activate law of attraction. Say thank you. Very good. Eyebrow, thank you. Side of the eye, thank you. Under the eye, thank you. Under the nose, thank you. Under the mouth, thank you. Collarbone, thank you. Under the arm, thank you. Karate chop, thank you. Okay, very good. Let's all take a deep breath. And I'll release. Okay. Now we're going to go to FK. Okay, top of the head, thank you. Eyebrow, thank you. Side of the eye, thank you. Under the eye, thank you. Under the nose, thank you. Under the mouth, thank you. Collarbone, thank you. Under the arm, thank you. Karate chop, thank you. Take a deep breath. And I'll release. Very good. All right, now let's got another client, GG, top of the head, thank you. Eyebrow, thank you. Side of the eye, thank you. Under the eye, thank you. Under the nose, thank you. Under the mouth, thank you. Collarbone, thank you. Under the arm, thank you. Karate chop, thank you. Excellent. So I'll take a deep breath. And I'll release. Okay. KQ, top of the head, thank you. Eyebrow, thank you. Side of the eye, thank you. Under the eye, thank you. Under the nose, thank you. Under the mouth, thank you. Collarbone, thank you. Under the arm, thank you. Karate chop, thank you. Take a deep breath. Release. TK, top of the head, thank you. Eyebrow, thank you. Side of the eye, thank you. Under the eye, thank you. Under the nose, thank you. Under the mouth, thank you. Collarbone, thank you. Under the arm, thank you. Karate chop, thank you. Take a deep breath. And now release. KL, top of the head, thank you. Eyebrow, thank you. Side of the eye, thank you. Under the eye, thank you. Under the nose, thank you. Under the mouth, thank you. Collarbone, thank you. Under the arm, thank you. Karate chop, thank you. Take a deep breath and release. Okay, well, there we go. That's about 5 or 6 of my favorite clients. I hope you tapped on 5 or 6 of your favorite clients, source of abundance, customers, etc. Okay, like I said, it really works. I still do it every morning. At least 20 of my favorite clients get at least 10 seconds of thank yous, okay? And it really works. And again, just want to show you that I practice what I preach.